guys, today I'm going to show you how to unboxing Pokemon V pack. Let's go start. The first Pokemon I got was Melmetal. It is V and it has a lot of damage and a lot of health. Next, I got like a lot of energies right now, and now I found like a Takeline. It has like a lot of HP and the damage system. I got Mega Ball, Great Ball, and some trainers, and another Great Ball, another trainer and stuff. Yep, more trainers, Great Ball. I got another Great Ball, more trainers. I got more trainers, more energies. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe.